The likelihood of a full-scale regional conflict in the Middle East is higher than ever. This is fueling demand for safe haven assets, including the US dollar, which has been rising for 2 consecutive days. Meanwhile, the latest job vacancy data indicated a still resilient US labor market. However, other statistical reports were less optimistic. For instance, the US manufacturing PMI issued yesterday showed a decline in business activity. Now let us explore how its upcoming macroeconomic reports, slated for release on October 3 and 4, could influence the dynamics of the major currency pairs. You are watching Traders Calendar. Currently, all major economies are recording a decline in manufacturing activity. In this context, the services sector is the main driver of business activity growth, as it's more flexible and responsive than the manufacturing sector. The rise in the services sector is pushing the composite indicator upward. For comparison, Japan's composite PMI is at 52.9 points, while the services PMI at 53.7. In September, business activity in the services sector may climb to 53.9, and this could provide the yen with a reason to strengthen. A similar indicator for the German economy is expected to decrease to 50.6. 5 minutes later, the Eurozone will also disclose its services PMI, which is projected to show similar results of 50.5 points. The euro is likely to drop in response to such data. An hour later, the euro's downward trend on the trading chart could continue amid the publication of the producer price index figures. Forecasts suggest that compared to the previous year, prices in the production sector will shrink by 0.3%. Low inflation is a dovish signal for central banks and causes a decline in the currency yields, which could weaken the euro. The main focus will be on the US labor market reports on Thursday and the entire first week of October. Data published on Tuesday showed the job vacancies in August exceeded forecast, rising to 8.04 million. The expected increase in initial jobless claims, if confirmed, will likely boost the US dollar. The US services PMI may also rise, although by only 0.1 points. Nevertheless, this will be another factor supporting the dollar's growth. Interestingly, unlike domestic statistics, the forecast from international firm S&P Global is less optimistic and predicted a 0.3% 3-point decline. However, the figure is still above 55 points, indicating expansion which could support the greenback's position against other major currencies. The main market intrigue will unfold on Friday with the release of September's NONFARM payrolls. The number of new jobs is expected to decline to 140,000. Additionally, data on unemployment rates, wage growth, and other crucial indicators for the US Fed Reserve will be disclosed. Following the publication of NONFARM payrolls, market volatility is likely to surge. The US dollar could experience significant swings. In this light, traders should be cautious. We will monitor the market reaction to the above-mentioned reports. Subscribe to our channel and follow changes in market sentiment with us. Any comments, questions, and offers are welcomed. Please note that the time of publication is set in a GMT +3 time. The next video review of Traders Calendar will be released on Monday, October 7. We wish you profitable trading and see you soon.